Welcome, in front of me is a RUGGEAR RG655 and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. Now to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume up. So once you feel that vibration or hear it, depending, you want to hold the power key and volume up at the same time. And as you can see, this will take you to the boot mode, which is this little thing right over here. And using only volume up, you want to scroll through the menu, as you can see, in order to select, well, the first option, which is the recovery mode, and then confirm it with volume down. And next thing we probably will see is Android with no command. I guess we'll see in a second. Yep, there we go. Now normally it would say no command, but it's picking up Russian as I believe last language, so as you can see it's not English right here. But anyway, once you see this tiny little Android, hold power key, press volume up once, and you should be in recovery mode. And from here simply use volume keys. This time you actually can use both of them, so volume down will go down and up will go up. And what you want to do is select Wipe Cache Partition. Once it's selected, confirm it with power key. Then again, let's select yes. And there we go, cache wipe complete. At which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so simply press power key once more and this will initiate the reboot. So now all we need to do is simply wait for the device to boot back up into Android. And there we go, as you can see, process now finished, and yeah. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.